Hi friends, if I ask you to tell me the cube of 63, what will you do? Everyone has learned a simple method that first multiplies 63 by 63, again multiplied by 63, and finally getting 250047. But this method takes a lot of time. That's why today we bring to you the fastest method to find cube of any two-digit number. To do that, you need a simple formula you all know. A plus B whole cube. Write it as A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Remember, order should be exactly like this. Let's find for 21 cube. Here 2 will act as A and 1 will act as B. In place of plus, give partitions. First term is A cube, that means 2 cube. Second term, 3A square B, 3 into 2 square into 1. Third term, 3 into 2 into 1 square. And lastly, B cube. This will become 8, 12, 6 and 1. Last step, start taking digits from the right. 1, 6. Now if you have more than one digit, bring the unit digit down and carry rest of the digits to the left. So 1 will be added here and the final result is 9261. In a similar way, let's try to find for 63 cube. Start by making partitions. You get 216, 324, 162 and 27. As we have discussed earlier, collect digits from the right. Here take 7 down and carry 2 to the left. 2 plus 162 become 164. So write 4 down. Carry 16 here. 16 plus 324 get 0. 34 plus 216. Write 250 as it is. And the result you get is 250047.